Hey guys, today we're going to do the first time setup of Samsung Galaxy A25. If you're using Samsung Galaxy A25 and now you want to make a first time setup of your device, so let's see how can you do this. First of all, when you power on your device, you will get the welcome screen here, and here you just have to select your device language. Just select language from here, and here you will get a lot of languages. You can easily select one of them. As I have already selected this one, just select it, then select OK from here, then press on start, and here you will get this type screen which is for your review. You just have to agree to them and use a license agreement, privacy policy, and sending of diagnostic data. Just agree to them all, then select agree in the bottom right corner, and after that you will get to this type screen which is easy setup with another device. If you're using any device before this phone, you can easily use that to make an easy setup of this device. So let's see how. If you're using any Galaxy or Android device, just select the first option and you will get a QR code. Just scan the QR code, and after that your all data will be transferred. And here's the iPhone or iPad option. If you're using any iPhone, you can easily select the second option, but I'm going to set up manually. Just select the third option, and after that here choose the Wi-Fi network. You just have to select only Wi-Fi with which you want to connect, and here just enter the Wi-Fi password, and then select connect from here. Just select it, and after connecting to the internet, you just have to select next in the bottom right corner, and after that, you just have to wait for its loading. And here's that screen which is getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes, so it will take a few minutes. You might have to wait for its when it's being loading. After that, we'll continue. So after that, you will get this type screen which is copy apps and data. If you're using any device before this phone, you can easily use that to copy all of your apps, data, contacts, photos, and Google accounts and much more. So you can easily do that. But I'm going to select don't copy from here. And then here's the checking info. You just have to wait for its loading. And after that, let's see. And after this, you have to sign into your Google account. If you have an account, you can easily log in here. But if you don't have an account, you just have to select create account and you can easily create account for your shoes. But I'm going to skip this. Just select skip from here, and then you'll got this type screen which is protect your phone with face recognition, fingerprint, pattern, pin or password. If you want to set any locks, you can easily select here. But if you can easily do this after doing the setup and settings, I'm going to skip it. Just select skip from here, and here's the Google services. You must have to accept them all. Just select accept from here, and after that you'll get the discharge screen which is getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. You just have to wait until it's being loading. And here's the Samsung account. If you have any Samsung account, you can easily log in here with your email, phone number, or any QR code. But if you won't have an account or forgotten password, you just have to select the forgot password or don't have an account. Just select it. If you have forgotten your account password, just select this option to recover for password. If you want to recover ID, you can easily recover from here. If you want to create an account, you can easily create one. But I'm going to set up lettering settings. Just select and then skip from here. And here's some terms and conditions of the form. You just have to select all from here. Then select agree in the bottom right corner. And here there are something services. You must have to agree to them all. And here your display mode, which you want is light or dark. You can easily select from here. I'm going to select light, then select next in the bottom right corner, and here display rates. Let's see what's going to happen. And here you have done, you're all set up. You just have to select home from here to go to your home screen. So that's how you can easily make a first time setup of Samsung Galaxy A25. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.